Hello everyone, it's Pink Butterfly Cookie again, and guess what I have? I got yesterday my Easter present, yeah! So my Easter present was, my father told me that I can just order a package from Mods for You, and I was so happy. So it came yesterday and I am so excited to open it, so let's get started. So, I'm sure you know Mods for You packages, so I just show it quickly. So here are the stamps, my address that I'm going to show you, and it came from Hong Kong, and it came, I don't know, it's the order date, I think. So yeah, I'm so excited, so let's open it quickly. And I love Mods for You packages because they are so easy to open. So let's see, yeah. Okay, so as you can see, it already opens and you don't have to cut anything. Oh, there is a lot of stuff in there. Okay, so yeah. So as you guys probably already know, but there's two types of Mods for You packages, like this little bag. So there's this one and there's another one, and I don't know how can I get the other one, but I love this one too. So as you can see, there is some cute faces like cats and doggies. So yeah, anyway, it's just a little so as you can see, there's a lot of stuff in there. So let me just pull them out randomly. Okay, so this camera one, oops, sorry guys. So this is an extra from Mods for You. Like, this is my present. Mods for You always send you an extra deco tape if you order from them. So yeah, this is code, this character code, and Momo Kunobu. I think, I don't know if I pronounced it right. So, but it's a pig, like it's really cute pig, and I think it's from Sanax. I don't know. Please correct me guys if I am wrong. So yeah. So this is my first thing. Let's see. What is the other thing? My first squishy, guys. My very first squishy. Yes. So this is a Rilakumo head, and it's a bun, like a bread bun, and it's so squishy. Yeah. Let me just open it quickly. And it's on a ball chain. Like, it doesn't have cell strings. So yeah, as you can see, it's on a silver ball chain. And it's so squishy, yeah. And it's not scented, sadly. I really like scented squishies, but I love this too because this is my first one. So yeah, it's a little bit hard, but I think it will get softer. So yeah, I'm so excited about this. Okay, so my squishy, and I think I ordered one remount. Yeah, here's my remount. Okay, so this is called, I think, Melting Mascot cell phone charms. Like, you can see it's Raymond. And you can get these ones. I don't know if it comes with a Raymond gum or not, but yeah, it's upside down. So yeah, this is my Raymond. And let's see. Oh. Da, 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 da. Okay, so I think I will cut here because it's the easiest way, I hope. So I don't know if it will come out or not. I think I will cut these two parts too. So one and I'm so excited. Yes, it's coming back. Oh. Okay, the main thing come out, and this is my very first memo pad, guys. You don't know how excited I am right now. So this is a Rilakkuma Meets Honey, and this is my favorite series from Rilakkuma. So as you can see, it's sparkly here and the honey mainly, and it has this pink part, and I think there is 5 designs, guys. It's so cool. So there is, and it has stickers. Yeah, it has some cool stickers. Yes. I'm so excited. So these are the stickers. This is the first design, and the second is this design. Oh, it's so cute. Rilakkuma Meets Honey. Oops. And third one is this one. This is so cute too. It's creatory. And fourth is this is pancake one. Oh my gosh, I love this memo pad. It has 5 design, guys. It's so cool. And this is the last one. Oh, I love this memo sheet or memo pad. Yeah, and I wanted, guys, so don't ask me. And let's see what else in here. So, oops. Yes. This is my very first Piggy Girl, and Piggy Girl is a new theme from Sanex, and this is my very first thing from Piggy Girl. Yes. And here are the things that you can get, like the Sentimental Circus one, if you saw my very first kawaii haul video. So there's some very cute designs. So you should definitely order some Piggy Girl stuff because they are so cute. I think, like, look at this piggy. Isn't it cute? I love it. Yes, I love it. It's some Japanese thing. And it comes with a really big, like, heart-shaped giro. I don't know if it's a sticker or not, but it's so cute. Oh my gosh, guys. And this is, wow. This is called, I don't know the official name, but these are like these Braddo squishies. Oops, like this one, like my Rilakkuma hand. Like you can see, it's a toast shaped, like a dog shaped toast, and this bear shaped bread, and they are so squishy, and like, look at this, they are so thick. Oh my gosh, they are so cute. I love them. I won't trade it anyway, so yeah. I'm so excited, guys. So here are the things that I got for Easter. So okay, is there anything else? Oh, here is the Mods for You business card. So here is everything I got for Easter. This is the best Easter present in the world, like seriously. Oh, and here is my deco tape. So I will probably trade this one if you want. Like, I don't collect deco tapes. So yeah, that's it, guys. I hope you liked this video. It was a little bit long, I think, but yeah, I was so excited. So thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next kawaii haul video. Bye.